So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. There's going to be 3 links in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software for your graphics card and make sure you have the latest drivers installed for your software. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to go to the services tab. And now once we're here, you want to sort by alphabetical order. So click on service right here, which will then sort all these services by alphabetical order. So first, we're going to scroll down till we find problem reports, control panel support. You want to untick this box. Now you want to scroll down till we find Windows error reporting service. Scroll down till we find Windows error reporting service. Untick this box as well. And then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.